guys, it's me. So I'm starting off, well, I guess I should have taken the stuff from the bathroom, but I'm starting off this vlog by having this little segment in here, just to kind of explain what's going on. So this is gonna be a couple of days. I just got out the shower, obviously. I just got home from work, and I'm gonna edit and upload this vlog today. So in this vlog, you're gonna see I went on a date with my mans to this Top Golf place, and it's basically like a batting cage for golf. And I also want to show you guys my Ulta haul. I only got 2 things because I want to test stuff out before I use most of my gift card, and so I want to show you guys that. And then I also want to show you guys something I've been kind of obsessed with, which those 2 things I'm gonna do now, and then I'll show you guys the footage from my date. It's not that much, only because like stuff like that I like to just be in the moment. So like if in the vlogs where I go out and do stuff, like if they're more like a date type of thing, you'll probably either see nothing or you'll only see like segments of it, because I don't like to film everything. Like I want to be in the moment, and also my man didn't sign up to have a camera on 24/7. So let me show you guys my Ulta haul, and then I'm going to show you guys what I've been obsessed with, and then we'll cut to the footage. But if you guys, well, not if, you guys have seen me wear this sweater countless times by now, and it is because it is my comfy sweater, okay? So after I take a shower, I get home from work, I take a shower, I put on my comfy sweater most of the time, or like the pink one I've started to wear more, or just like a big t-shirt. So that's why you guys see this one so much. Or like if I wake up in the morning and I haven't done anything yet, I'll have this on because it's my comfy sweater. I wash it constantly, as you could imagine. So let me go get those 2 things. I'll show them to you, and then anyway, and then is your leg uneven? My little frog leg is uneven. Sorry. And then we'll cut. So let me go grab that. Okay, so I lied. Only got 1 thing from Ulta, and it was this, and it is the Dermalogica like facial scrub, daily microfoliant. I've been wanting to try this. I've been told to try it for a while now. I'm on day 3 or so, something like that. And I like it. It leaves my skin really nice, and it's getting rid of like these little bumpies here. And then I went to TJ Maxx and I picked up Azure hyaluronic and retinol anti-aging daily cream. So I use this as my moisturizer right now. If you guys know really good just like cleansers, moisturizers, serums, all kind of like under eye creams, stuff like that, just really good ones for, I would say, oily skin. I guess it's mainly just in my T-zone. Can you leave them down below, because I'm trying to get back into my skincare, and I want to like build up a routine. I sometimes use this. This is the Dr. Dennis Roth like scrub patches. This is my last one, so I wanted to try the Dermalogica one. I like that too, but yeah, if you guys know really good ones, please leave them down below, because I want to try some. So yeah, that's what I got from Ulta and TJ Maxx. I want to put some clothing, and then I want to show you guys what I've been obsessed with, because it's been too long that I'm standing here in a towel. So okay, so what's in my background? Nothing. Okay, I'm keeping this towel like this because my hair is wet because I just did a little washy wash. What was I talking about? Oh yeah, so I have been obsessed ever since I had the the lightly iced salted caramel chai from Dutch Bros with cinnamon, whipped cream, and nutmeg. I've been obsessed with chai. I never really had it before that, and I'm obsessed. So there's something in my eye. So I got 3 different brands of chai to try to see if I could mimic Dutch Bros. Now I will say I completely finished this one. Okay, this one was good. I have to get this one again and try it again because the milk I had when I had that one was an oat milk, and then it was like an extra creamy one, and it was just not, the extra creamy oat milk is just too much, and it leaves like a, not a film on your tongue, but it's just too like thick, and I don't want that. So I'm putting more cream because my face feels dry, even though it's not, but well, you know, it's okay. What was I talking about? Oh yeah, so now I'm using the Good and Gather, you can get it at Target, the Good and Gather brand, and I got a lactose free milk, not Lactaid. I don't know what Lactaid's doing, but it's not doing it for me. The pills don't work and the milk doesn't like me. So I'm using just like a, I think it's like a local brand type of lactose free milk, and I had that mixed with the Good and Gather, and I have Torani salted caramel. Do not get sugar free because I have a sugar free one, and I also had the sugar free one when I had the Oregon chai one, and you can taste the fake sugar. It's not it. So that's another reason why I need to try the Oregon chai one again. But I got recently like the normal salted caramel Torani. Okay, I have whipped cream, Cool Whip to be exact. Okay, and then I just mixed those together, and let me tell you, baby, I'm coming for Dutch Bros neck. So I am going to make one of those, and also get some dinner while I edit. And yeah, so I'm gonna do that. I also need to get some cinnamon and some nutmeg and put it in there and see if it like it's the ultimate pushover, because right now I say I'm tied with Dutch Bros. Yeah, I would say I'm tied with Dutch Bros, but it's just that cinnamon. I need to see if I can get the cinnamon there and see if I can you know, push myself over. And then I also have the Tazo chai. I haven't tried that yet. Maybe I'll update you guys. I don't think y'all care as much about chai as I do, but when it comes to food, like, I get very excited. You want to excite me? Talk about bears, cats, or food, and it has to be specific foods or drinks. Okay, but anyways, I am gonna go ahead and grab those things. I'm gonna go ahead and try to edit, and then I'm gonna try and see if I can get this video up tonight. I don't think there's anything else I'm gonna show you guys. No, I mean, I can show you how to make a chai. Nobody cares. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next video. He has no mic and no camera.
Well, tell him find a mic and camera.
Look at my socks.
They cute. Dom, you need that thing? No, I'm listening. Dom said he don't need to see your face.
I'm not the one who made the group.
What? You the one who made the group.
I said I'm not the one who made the group. I don't know who's all in here.
I know. I just want to blame somebody other than myself.
Oh.
Mm-hmm. These perfect about Da-da-da. How was your day?
It was okay. I've just been laying in bed because I don't feel good.
You pregnant?
Nope. I did take a test though.
Oh.
That's what I say. You're.
You think you pregnant?
Well, no, I don't think that anymore. I don't know what that is. You know what? I've been eating a lot of gluten lately.
It's on your phone. Daddy was in that, right?
Yes. This is like blurry.
You see it?